Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to start a channel voice call from your account using the Telegram app on your PC, especially focusing on the latest update. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so everything runs smoothly. Next, navigate to the channel where you want to host the voice call. Open that specific channel by clicking on it from your list. Once inside the channel, look toward the top right corner of the screen and find the call icon. It's usually the middle icon among the options you'll see there. Click on this call icon to access calling options. Now, you'll have to choose Start Live Stream. This feature allows you to host a voice call or live stream to your channel members. After choosing Start Live Stream, Telegram will ask you to select the account you want to use for the call. Select your account and then click Continue to proceed. Here's an important step. Disable the video option if you want the call to be just a voice call. Simply turn off the video feature and keep your audio active. And that's it. You've successfully started a voice call on your Telegram channel using your PC with the new update. This is a great way to connect with your audience, host discussions, or share live audio content directly from your desktop. Enjoy your voice calls and keep your community engaged effortlessly. Thanks for watching.